Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Rose. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Tuesday and Thursday now. I feel like every time new people come in and they look at different videos, you're kind of like, wait, so when do you post videos? Okay, so 2 times a week is the usual. And today we're gonna be making something so yummy, so yummy. Something that I loved making before I even went vegan. So I decided to come up with a recipe, kind of recipe, sort of. I have a recipe written up. You guys will see the link down below. But it's more of like a go however you feel with it. Flow with the recipe, if you will. So, yeah, what am I making? I feel like I'm rambling on. A vodka sauce pasta. I know you're thinking, oh, that's why she lost her mind and went a little blank. No, I always do that, guys. You should know me by now. All right, so let's get ready. First things first, into our frying pan, I'm gonna be adding about 2 tablespoons, roughly, of olive oil. And then into that, hopefully it gets hot fast because I forgot to heat it up. Are you eating all? Mia is sitting table side here, eating all of the vegan bacon that we have. Yum, 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 yum. So,
I didn't want it all.
first I'm gonna add in, I'm doing green onion, but you could do regular onion.
Add a little of that, and then I can add the rest.
I will. I have more.
You do?
Yeah.
Where?
I only use half.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm adding green onion, and the reason I did green onion is because I ran out of regular onion or red onion, which is what I prefer to use all the time. So just a little green onion, whatever you have on hand. I'm not too picky or specific about what kind of onion I use whenever I cook because the difference is so subtle that it really doesn't make a big difference. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of this vegan bacon for Mia because she really likes it. And I'm just gonna add in, this is about half a pack of the Light Smart Bacon, veggie bacon strips. And this stuff tastes so much like turkey bacon. It's really good.
Yeah, turkey. It tastes like turkey.
So I'm just adding that in there. It gives it a really good smoky flavor. That's what you want in your sauce. And this is a vodka sauce, which, I mean, it does contain vodka, but if you don't drink or you'd rather not add vodka into this, you can definitely make it with some veggie broth. And I mean, it won't exactly taste like a vodka sauce, but it will still be delicious. So you can definitely substitute it with that. I know a lot of you guys don't drink. When I first went vegan, I stopped drinking for a while because whenever I would drink, I would feel like the effects like really fast, and I would become like hungover out of like one drink the next day. My body would feel really crappy. But as time went on, and I guess my body kind of adjusted to transitioning into veganism, then I just feel like, I guess, regular, like I used to before. So a lot of you guys ask me if I drink, and the answer is yes, as long as it's some sort of vegan-friendly alcohol. Barnivore.com, you can check them out. No, this is not sponsored, but you can just type in like whatever drink it is that you're interested in, and it'll tell you whether it's vegan or not. Alright, so I think this is good enough. I have this on a high heat, and I've cooked it just about to the point where it gets a little crispy. Mia is like freaking out over this vegan bacon. She wants some more. Next, I'm going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of vodka. This is vegan friendly vodka. This is the Smirnoff Red, if you guys are wondering. This stuff is good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why I like it.
This vegan bacon is very like
Hammer.
salami type.
What is salami?
Salami?
Yeah.
It's a type of ham.
Ham? We don't eat ham.
I don't eat ham, we don't.
But this
But we
is like
eat
ham.
this kind of ham.
This is vegan ham?
Mm-hmm.
I
Vegan
like,
bacon.
I like vegan bacon. They taste so good.
So I let this simmer for about a minute or so on medium heat because just to be on the safe side, alcohol evaporates really, really fast. And if you go like that and you kind of, what is it called, waft?
Yeah.
Whatever it is you're cooking, if it doesn't smell like alcohol anymore, then you're in the clear. I'm doing a 24-ounce can of marinara sauce, aka pasta sauce. I usually like to make my own. Like 90% of the time, I make my own pasta sauce or spaghetti sauce because I just like to kind of like add in my own flavors. But whenever I'm making a sauce like this, I like to go with the basic kind of like Italian flavor, generic Italian flavor, and I stick with like the store-bought stuff. And also, if you're just trying to do this during the week and make it, you know, quickly in and out, definitely the jar is the way to go. This is not a typical ingredient in a vodka sauce, but I like to add about a tablespoon of butter, vegan butter. I know somebody's gonna freak out and be like, Rose is not vegan anymore because she just added butter into her sauce. Calm down, okay? Calm down. It's vegan butter, it's earth balance, whatever you choose to put in there, you know, whatever. And even if you're not vegan, you could just easily switch the ingredients around, do it however floats your boat, because this is a no judgment zone. Okay. The reason why I said in the beginning you adjust the flavors as you wish, as you go along with the recipe, is because if you're using a jarred pasta sauce, every pasta sauce has like a different flavor, is either sweeter or tartar or whatever it is. This one that I'm using is a little on the sweet side, so I don't have to add sugar. If you're using one that's a little more tart, you could definitely add a tablespoon or two of sugar. I'm also adding some garlic powder, some onion powder. You can do it to taste. This thing is like spitting all over the place. I mean, splattering. Okay. So I did a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and approximately a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper. You can do more or less according to your own liking. And next I'm gonna add in about a fourth of a cup of the Go Veggie classic plain cream cheese alternative, and this is the vegan cream cheese. You can do tofutti or whichever you prefer, cheese and stuff. I have to have it along with something else that gives it a lot more flavor because it just, honestly, it doesn't taste like cream cheese. There are so many things that taste like the real thing, but the vegan cream cheese, no, it never tastes like it. You have to do some tweaking to it to make it really, really taste like cream cheese. And yeah, this doesn't do it for me. So I'm adding a little bit more of the cream cheese here, and this is gonna give it that blush color, and it's also gonna add creaminess, just as if you were adding like cream into your regular vodka sauce. I basically use the vegan cream cheese in any recipe that I would have normally used heavy cream or any kind of cream to thicken it up and make it creamy. And honestly, I just keep adding the cream cheese until it becomes that nice kind of like vodka sauce color, which is like a little bit orangey, pinkish color. So I've pretty much added half of the tub of the cream cheese, and this is an 8-ounce, so I added about 4 ounces of the cream cheese in there. And I'm just going to mix this up, and I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes or so, and then we're going to be ready to add in our pasta. So here we go. We have some penne pasta, and I cooked it for a little bit too long, so it's not al dente the way I would prefer, but whatever, it's okay, it still works. I'm going to just add this right into our pasta. Oh my goodness.
You made it.
Huh?
You made the sauce.
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because I love sauce. I'm not sure if the taste test was picked up there because my camera turned off at the last minute. So I'm going to do another taste test. It's delicious. I've already tasted it. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and act like I didn't taste it when I already did. It's super good. I love it. Here we go. Top-notch sauce. The type of sauce that you can feed to your non-vegan family, non-vegan friends, and they're not going to know whether it's vegan or not. They're just gonna say, hey, this is a delicious sauce, and whatever. That's it. So try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Team Veggie Rolls. Nope, that's not it. Hashtag Veggie Fam. I'm getting confused. Hashtag Veggie Fam. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your feedback. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.